What do you swear you saw but don't have any proof of? 1. As a child I touched some weird pest plant in our garden. I think it stung me. Then I saw everything in inverted colors for short time. And then back to normal. I was in such a shock I couldn't explain it to my mom. I just went to her crying. 2. I saw a bunch of crows, around 20 plus, gather around in a circle. I was like WTF and took a closer look to see 3 other crows in the middle of the circle all on their backs. And some crows from the circle would hop in and try to peck at the 3 crows, while they cawed and tried to defend themselves with their feet. I know crows are smart and all but didn't expect this level of social behavior. It went on for a while before a kid ran in and scattered them all. 3. I'm in line at a cafeteria. The guy in front of me is holding a pudding cup. Someone walking by stumbles and falls into pudding cup. Got